What's up, guys? It's June 11th, 2024. Had a we had a bear channel, had an outside bear bar on the daily chart. It's pretty, or on E-mini, not just the daily chart, on every time frame. So yesterday I drew that gap in so we could see what happens today, and it got closed. So this is the first bull gap that got closed. The next gap is here. This gap is only 3 ticks, but I made it bigger so we can see. So this gap might get closed quicker than it looks. So only a 3 tick gap. And bears are going to want to close gaps, and bulls are going to keep them open. The bottom of each bull bar is support, the top, and then each bear bar, the top of each bear bar is resistance. Because there's buyers waiting at support, sellers waiting at resistance. I see 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. After each new high, we went sideways for a decent amount of time. This is an outside bar, and they closed the gap. So right now, this is the range we're in. EMAs are lining up. Not good for your boy. I actually did good here, and then I got cut up right here and went flat for the day. Kind of frustrating because I've been trying to avoid these situations, but it is what it is. I'm still trying to. It is what it is. I don't know what to say. So let's get into the breakdowns. Give me 2 seconds here. So where are we? Here we are. Oh, yesterday. So we've been in a bull trend for quite some time. 3 days. Push into the EMA, gap up. Push into the EMA, gap up, and we trend. That's 3 days. So that's 3 pushes higher. Push 1, push 2, push 3. Today, bulls had a failed breakout. This chart should be like that. Today, that's my dog. My bad. Today bulls had a failed breakout. So just how we had 3 pushes here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 pushes here. So wedge top at resistance. Failed breakout. So bar 1, range bar. Bears go for a close. I hope you guys can't hear my dog. He's barking on the other side of the house. I don't know what. I'm just seeing if the mic is. Every time I talk, he barks. So I'm trying to see if the mic can pick him up. Okay, should be good. So bears are trying to get a close below bar 81. Bar 81 is turning into support. Bar 80, it could be more buyers. Bears go for a failed breakout and reverse higher. That's 3. It's a form of 3 pushes lower with these tails, and reverses for leg 1, pull back leg 2, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. It's a wedge top. I think bar 4 trapped a few traders, and that gave enough juice for the bulls to get another leg up. This is also a fractal 3 legs higher. So leg 1, pull back leg 2. After bar 8 gets put in, I think there are more sellers here, more buyers at the EMA. Bulls are going to be sitting at support levels. So more sellers, more buyers. Bar 9, looks like the bears are going for a breakout. It's not the best close, but it is a good close, and the context is coming off yesterday's high, so the reversal could be the context is, bulls want the breakout to continue and go for a measured move, but they get trapped. Failed breakouts and reversals. A reversal is a form of a breakout because it has trapped traders. So bar 9 should have good. It's taken out all the lows. Bears took out the opening 7 bars with 2 bars, and then bar 10 shows a strong bear breakout, the biggest bar of the day, put below the EMA. With continuation, they tagged 50% move. This blue line's yesterday's 50%. That's the low, 50, 100. Bears go for 50%, and all bulls want to bounce here and at least get a range. I think the best bulls can do after seeing this is get a range. I don't think it'll be a full-on bull trend day. I think I was short around there, and I thought the probabilities for going lower were better for the Bears because they were shorting here, and they shorted all the way down, and they shorted below. Bar 12 is the first pullback. Bar 13, this was a pretty strong rally. I was flat at this point. I saw it rally up and reverse down. Bar 14, follow through. That would make this a low 1, this first pullback. There was a rally in here, so it could be low 2 on a different time frame. Low 1, pullback, low 2, coming at a worse price or just about the same price. Bar 15 is a breakout. That's where I got short again. And bears get another few legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Reversal. Leg 1, that's a deep pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3, the market goes range bound here. Bar 27 had a lot of bullish pressure. Buyers and bullish, I just combined those. Bar 27 had a lot of bullish pressure, but real quick, let's talk about this. So where were we? Bar 15, breakout below the 50% level. Bar 16, bad follow through. Bar 17, good for the bears. It's an outside down bar and it's a bear flag with an outside down bar. I think that's a good short. And so the rest of the market, they got short on that close and sell off with 18. Deep pullback 19. After the first opposite bar, that starts the channel phase. So it goes spike, channel, and range. Bar 21, bears sell, pull back, and get a breakout below the higher time frame EMA. Market cycle reset, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. We're in a range, so that bar 31 is a second leg trap. But yeah, bar 31 could be a second leg trap. This bar is an opposite bar that breaks this high, so that's the second leg. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, and the market goes sideways. When the market goes sideways, I did get trapped. Oh, excuse me. I got trapped because I was getting trapped. If I can move my chart, I was getting trapped because this price action was the first gap bar below the 45-minute chart after this rally. So I thought we could get a test above it. So I held my long and then got trapped, and then I got short again on 75 and got ripped up. These two bad trades gave away all the profits. Kind of annoying. Flat on the day. I'm down actually like $20, but pretty much flat. And yeah, really annoying. They got chopped up when the EMAs went sideways. I'm working on avoiding that, and I fell right into the trap again. There goes my dog. So I think there are more buyers sitting here, more sellers sitting at highs. Here we have 3 pushes down, so I think it's good to get at shorts around here. After this 2 legs, bulls get a 2-leg pullback into the EMA. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. First touch of the EMA led to a good trade. A short bounce recent lows. Bears failed to make a new low with bar 43. And bulls get another leg 1, pullback leg 2. And then bears get their leg 1, pullback leg 2. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. And the market was flat. Wedge bottom in a range. And then this is the first time bulls are able to keep some sort of gap open. The market's vacuuming. Bulls are trying. I think this is just a tight trading range. It's best to be avoided. If you can't share limit orders and you get cut up here and here, unlike me, it's best to sit out. Today pretty much was a couple hours, like 2 hours of selling and mostly range bound price action. It looks like it was a good trend day and it could go lower, but it ended up being just more range bound. We have the whole market cycle right in front of us too. So when the market cycle breaks out, when we break out, that's the market cycle reset. So breakout, leg 1, first opposite bar, it goes leg 2, leg 3. After leg 3, we start to get deep pullbacks and the market goes range bound. When the market goes range bound, the market cycle resets. So this is the whole market cycle today. Spike. Another way of saying it would be spike, channel, range, or you can do breakout, channel, range. But this is the whole market cycle. I'm trying my best to study breakouts and trade around the first, second legs and trade around the market cycle. This price action is a different belief system than this price action. Here, the market has conviction that it's going to go lower. Here, the market has conviction that it's range bound. So bears are shorting highs, bulls are buying lows. Here, bulls are getting trapped. It's a trend, and bears are shorting lows. So that's why it's kind of hard for me, at least, to switch gears quick enough to realize this. I realized that after my P&L gets shredded. So it is what it is. Still trying to get funded on Top Step. Hope you guys had a good one. Hope you guys made some money getting short today, or long if you started scalping here. I think getting long is the harder trade. Bears do have gaps open here. Here, this gap got tested 50% level. No gap. Wow, there's a gap here. And then look, so when we're trending, look how the gaps are staying open, and then when we go to range bound, the gaps are all closing. So that's an indicator how the market is shifting. That's not even there's a small gap right there. There's a gap right there. So yeah, look how all the gaps stayed open, and the gaps started closing. We weren't range bound. That's why I like to see the gaps. That's what I'm focused on when I'm training here. I'm drawing in the gaps, and then just how I do on the daily chart with you guys, I do on the 5 minute chart by myself. So price action factor, so we can apply it anywhere. Hope you guys had a good one. Let me know what you guys did. Drop some comments. Have a good day, everyone. I'm not gonna be trading on Friday, which should be today if you guys are watching this tonight. If you guys, I'm not trading Friday 7/12. I say that I really shouldn't. The market ended in a range bound, so maybe it's gonna be a range open. But you guys have a good one. Be safe tomorrow. Use your stop loss. I'll talk to you guys over the weekend. I'm dropping trends. I'm dropping chapter 15 best trades, and then if I have time on Saturday, I'm gonna try and drop trends on Sunday. So I will talk to you guys latest Monday, or hit me up in the Discord. Have a good one, guys. Bye.